Higgsfield is hands down the best AI visual platform available right now. And it's not surprising, it was founded by Alex Mashrabov, the former head of generative AI at Snapchat. The guy knows what he's doing. And as we know, Claude Code is the cutting edge of AI technology right now. When you combine the two, you get the strongest content system I've ever seen. You can create perfect ads based on real data, because Claude Code runs a research before generating anything. Static or video doesn't matter. Switch between models, generate multiple outputs in parallel, and much more. In this video, I'll show you how to build this for yourself and how I use it in my own workflow. Let's dive in. But before I actually show you my own workflow, let me quickly explain you why we should even connect Higgsfield to Claude Code. There are a bunch of reasons for that. So the first reason is prompt problem. Whenever you want to generate anything in Higgsfield, you need to write a prompt for that. And it's boring, time consuming, and you need to have a certain knowledge for this. And still, no matter how hard you practice it, AI will still write better prompts for AI. I think I don't need to explain it. That's why we want to make Claude Code write prompts for Higgsfield. That's the problem number one. The second, not a problem but a reason, is because Higgsfield recently released their CLI, which stands for Command Line Interface, and it's absolutely the best way to connect tools to Claude Code. Previously, if we wanted to connect anything, we would use API, but API is not the best way to connect anything to Claude Code because it returns junk payloads of JSON that pollute the context window. If you don't know, whenever you send an API request, for example, let's say to Nanobanana, you don't get just the picture itself back, you get a bunch of JSON as well, and this JSON pollutes the context window. And the worst part is that you can't get rid of this JSON and it's pretty much useless. Then everybody started talking about MCP, and yes, MCP is already the better way to connect tools, but still not the best one, because MCP is basically a layer between Claude Code and Higgsfield, basically a list of tools that Claude Code can use in Higgsfield. Some protocol layer that basically teaches Claude Code how to deal with the tool. And as you could guess, this protocol layer always gets to the context window, which again pollutes it. And the best way that Higgsfield has is CLI, which is basically a list of commands that Claude Code can send into Higgsfield and get the output without any JSON, without any additional layer, just the comment and output. Extremely clean and fast. And 99.9% of tools like Higgsfield don't have CLI yet. The next reason is skills. As you know, in Claude Code we create skills, and when we connect Higgsfield to Claude Code, we can basically create skill for generating anything, whatever the heck you want. If you want to generate static ads, you can write a skill for that. Claude will pull some tool for research, then run some particular kind of research, then generate multiple prompts, send them to Higgsfield, maybe attach some pictures, some assets, your fonts, your brand book, and then send you back the output. In Higgsfield, it's not possible. You only have prompt and you can attach something. That's it. And it applies to everything. If you want to create some UGC videos, you can absolutely do it. Just write a skill for that, and Claude Code will do it for you. Next reason, here it's mostly about why Higgsfield and not other tools, is because Higgsfield, first of all, Higgsfield is the best platform right now. They are the biggest, and they have their custom things called hooks or motion control. If you ever used Higgsfield, you know what I'm talking about, and you can absolutely use it via Claude Code as well. And the last and the best reason is brand consistency. Whenever you create a skill, you can refer to your business context files. If you have a brand book, you can attach it as well, some particular fonts, particular colors. So every skill before generating anything will read your business context, your brand book, the SOP that you determined in the skill.md, instead of just prompt and the picture, as I mentioned previously, which makes this system extremely powerful. And by the way, I know that Higgsfield recently released their Supercomputer, which is kind of the same thing, the same operational system for marketing that I just talked about previously. You can also attach something there. You can also attach your brand book. It has memory and all this stuff. Basically, it's the same thing. And actually, it's extremely powerful since it was built by Higgsfield themselves, but it has one extremely huge downside, and it's its price. It's too expensive, like literally. First of all, the normal version of this supercomputer starts at $129 a month. And why I'm saying $129 is because on $50 plan, you don't get Opus 4.7, which makes this system useful, because Sonnet in $50 plan is useless, it's dumb. So if you want to start using it, you have to pay $129, or if you buy annually, it's $99 a month, which is like $1,200 a year. And it's not it, by the way, because when you buy the subscription, you only access it. But to actually comfortably use it, you will have to top up credits as well, because this thing, it's credits like a monster. Like literally, you ask one question and 30 credits is gone. And 30 credits is equal to 6 pictures generated by Nanobanana, consumed by one question. And I'm honest with you, let me even show you. All right, here I am. As you can see, 414 credits left. And right now, let's ask it a very simple question, like, tell me the story of Alex Mashrabov. Boom, boom. From Boston Steep to Silicon Valley, blah, 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 blah. Co-founder of the company, then joined Snapchat. Nice. As you can see, a very simple question, very simple answer. You could get the same if you ask Sonnet 4.6 directly in their app. Now let's see how much tokens it consumed. I had 414, right? And right now it's 374. So it took us 40 credits. 40 credits. It's ridiculous. 40 credits is equal to how many? One GPT image, 2 image takes 7 credits in the max resolution. It's literally 7 generations of the best image model right now for one ridiculously simple question. It doesn't make sense at all. Don't use it, guys. I swear to God, you will burn all your money here. If you're extremely rich, yeah, go for it, use it, but I'm not, I'll be honest. And by the way, it's considering that we used Sonnet 4.6. Imagine if it was Opus 4.7. Would it take 100 credits? I don't know, and I'm not gonna try it. I guess we're done here. Yes, they have Supercomputer now. It's extremely powerful, but at the same time, it's extremely expensive. Don't use it, guys, please. You better spend an hour building a system in Claude Code and then save yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Now let's move to the system. First of all, we need to connect Higgsfield to Claude Code. And it's extremely easy to do it. Just go on their website, click here on MCP and CLI, click here on CLI. Here you will see all these 3 commands. Open up a command line on your laptop, PC, just manually copy paste them there, and you're done. You basically connected your CLI to your computer. If you have some problems here, take a screenshot, send it to Claude Code, do some back and forth with it, and it will definitely help you. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes. Now let's move to the VS Code. All right, here I am. Here, as you can see, I have 2 skills. The first one is called Higgsfield 3D Graphics. It's the custom one that I created. And the second one is Higgsfield Generate. It's Higgsfield skill. It wasn't built by me. I just downloaded it, and basically it allows to generate anything using Higgsfield. And yep, you can absolutely use it. It's already fine. But if you want to build something custom, you should build your own skill. Now let me open it. It has only skill.md, and as you could guess, it's called 3D graphics. I'm generating some graphic using it. Now let me show you the outputs of this skill. Library, 3D graphics. Here I have a bunch of pictures. They all look like, why is it not showing? Like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. I really like this one. Look how detailed it is. The reason I need these pictures is for presentations and for building websites. I need this extremely nice graphics. The reason why they all have this green background is because I'm removing the background using external tool. So I need it to be in contrast with the subject itself. So I had a need of generating custom graphics, and I covered it building the skill. I think it's really powerful. Yep, as you can see, like, they're crazy. They're extremely beautiful. I absolutely love these pictures. I'm honest with you. I really like it. I wouldn't be able to generate something like this by writing prompt manually, but this skill completely allows me to do it. Now let me show you the structure of skill.md. It's pretty simple, actually. Here it is in workflow. For every request, detect brand mentions. If I'm mentioning some brand, it goes to its cache. By the way, I forgot to mention, this skill also has its cache. It's here, brand logos. I uploaded all the logos for it to use them. So whenever I mention any logo, it goes and fetches it from the cache. So it can then attach it in Higgsfield. Then it gets the style. I have 10 presets like anime, Ghibli style, 3D realism, hyperrealism, cyberpunk, a bunch of styles. I'm mentioning them. Then it picks the background. Green is the default. If the subject is green, it changes. Then it assembles the scaffold. I'm not sure why it's called scaffold. Basically, it generates the prompt for the Higgsfield. Then it submits the prompt and the picture from the cache, waits for the output, downloads it, and delivers URLs to me. And here Lowered has all the best practices for writing prompts for Higgsfield. Extremely simple workflow, took me probably 20 minutes to build this skill. Now let me show you how it works. Let me open up a session with Claude Code. Then I type Higgsfield 3D graphics, and let's go with just coin with cloud logo, pixel art style, 4 variations. Nice, here it is. It generated me all 4 pictures. Now let me take a look at them. Like this one. Why did it make it silver? I have no idea, but it's alright. This one, wow, it looks more like I forgot how this thing is called in English, but you got me. But I really like these 2 ones. They are very beautiful. And as you can see, cloud logo is perfect here. And that's exactly what I needed. All the logos to be perfect on my pictures. That was my goal. I accomplished it. Now let me actually teach you how to create your own skill for any of your need. Step number 1, connect Higgsfield CLI to your computer. Step number 2 is define what you want to generate, whether you want to generate some static ads, some pictures just like me, maybe some UGC videos, whatever. Step number 3 is to define the SOP. If you want Claude Code to run some research before generating any kind of pictures or whatever you want it to generate, define it. Just break the generation into steps, like you send a prompt, it analyzes competitor sets, it runs research across your niche, it writes a prompt, generates 4 outputs, or whatever your SOP is. But constantly make Claude Code run some kind of research. That's the key factor here. You can absolutely connect all social media platforms to your cloud and make it scrape it. You can literally make Claude Code scrape your competitor sets, analyze them, then look at your business context, look at your brand book, look at your product, combine it all together, generate perfect prompt backed up with the research and your business context, and then generate whatever the heck you want. And that's what makes this system extremely powerful. And step number 4 is just to create the skill using skill builder skill. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's this skill, skill builder, creator, sorry, skill creator. Just type in this command and only then create the skill. If you don't have it, by the way, you can easily fix it. Just type in plugins, I guess. Yep, right, manage plugins. Here, as you can see, I have it installed here. If you don't have it here, just type it here, like skill creator. I won't see it because I already have it installed, but you will see it, and then click this button install, and then you'll be able to use it here. That's it. I know that there are a bunch of videos about Higgsfield right now all over the YouTube, and the reason why I created this one is because first of all, everybody's talking about Higgsfield MCP when they already released CLI, which is way more powerful. Not that many people talk about skills, to be honest. And Higgsfield released their supercomputer and everybody's talking about the supercomputer. Yes, I agree, it's super powerful, it's a supercomputer, but it's super expensive at the same time. So ignore it right now. By the way, it's not my only use case of Higgsfield. I'm actually generating Instagram carousels using it, just like this one, or like this one. This is the test image. Don't judge it strictly. I was just testing it. And I'm going to record a separate video for it, but there are a bunch of use cases for Higgsfield that are not available in Supercomputer, by the way. Now you have everything to build this for yourself. Go for it. If you want the exact skill I showed you in this video, it's inside my community. And if you need skills for generating something different, I'll help you to build those too. Link is in the description. But anyways, guys, connect Higgsfield to your Claude Code using the CLI. Don't fall for marketing and don't pay for this supercomputer. It's too expensive, and create beautiful skills for your needs. That's it. Thank you for making it till the end of this video. If this was useful, subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me a ton, and see you next one.